Hey guys, welcome back to a new video here on NailPossible. Today we're gonna make a very simple color block design with a little bit of nail stamping. We're going to start applying our base coat. Now we're gonna do something a little unusual. We're going to take the color that's gonna go in the middle and paint the stripe across each nail. And it doesn't need to be perfect, so don't worry about that. This section is gonna have some stamping, so we're gonna use a pattern that's not too overpowering with a polish from the same color family. Now we're gonna need a little bit of striping tape to create the other two spaces. And we're going to apply this beige polish to one of the two spaces. Because I can still see the color underneath peeking through, I'm going to do a second coat, removing the tape immediately after. Now we do the same thing, but with the other space. Let's clean up this mess. If you happen to be messy like I am, it might be a good idea to use some liquid latex so you don't have to clean up this much. And we're almost done, we just need a top coat. And this is our finished design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the design, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!